and can't. Without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You was being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begging me to come out with you.
Hello people, welcome back to my channel. It is baby Mira here again. If you are new, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, thank you for sticking around. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make braidless crochet, so without wasting much of your time, let us move into the video right now. So guys, I have here with me the extension I'm going to be using. This is what I'm going to be using. Just hope you guys can see. It is Afro twist braid, and this is basically how it looks like. It's basically how it looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna be using the crochet spoke, this to divide my hair, this comb to comb my hair, just shea butter that I'm gonna use to moisturize my hair, and that will be it for now. So let me move into the video now. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is just to moisturize my hair using this shea butter. Moisturize whatever is cold. I'm just going to apply it on my hair. Then I'm just going to be combing out my hair using this comb. I've already combed my hair before, so it's not going to be such a big deal. Just want to comb it out. And then, like I said, I'm going to be making braidless crochet, right? So I'm going to split my hair into 3 places. The division doesn't really need to be perfect, so whichever way it comes out, I just need to split my hair into 3 places, and that's all. I forgot to state, I'll be using this hair band too, this little tiny rubber band. So I've made one split, which is this. So I'm just gonna I also have this comb with me, just trying to make sure that the division is somewhat equal. So yeah, so I'm gonna tie this using this band. That's for the first part. So what I'm going to be doing is, first of all, I need to cut this thing. So what I'm going to be doing is to take this one after the other and crochet it on my head using this. But before I start doing that, I'm just going to quickly braid this part. Then I will do the same for this. And then lastly, you will do the same for the one here. So right now, after doing those things, I will start crocheting the hair. So it's just as simple as it seems. Yeah, I'm not going to be tying anything because I want it to be full and bouncy. So all you need to do the reason I'm not tying it is because I want it to be so free so that when I'm going to lose it, it's just going to come all off. So it's as simple as that. I'm just going to put it all around and that will be it. So still on this section, just still putting it the normal way. I actually have two colors, color 33 and color 30. I just want to use two of them. So I'm trying to make it full so that if I'm going to open it up this way, it's going to be opened and it's going to be neat. So that way I want to make it so full. So I'm still installing this part of this segment. So now moving over to this segment of the hair. This is so easy, very easy. And yeah, some people would think it might lose or go out, like because I'm not tying it or something. Don't worry, this is a kinky hair, so by the time I'm done with it, they all tangle together, so it will be hard for it to pull out. It will be really hard for it to pull out. The most important thing to note while doing this is trying as much as possible to crochet your hair around the knots you've made. You know, like you can see, this one is no longer visible. I crochet the Kinky braid around this knot and it's no longer visible, but this one is still visible just because I haven't done much here. So that is something that will have to be at the back of your mind so that people don't get to see this, you know. Otherwise, it's as simple as ABC, you know. So now, as you can see, the knot is no longer that visible, but this place is still looking so free, right? Do not worry. I'm going to get into doing this one. After doing this one, then we'll fill up here. So here for the back, I'm doing the same thing. So right now, I'm done filling up the back. So right now that I'm done with the back, this is what it looks like for now. So the main work is figuring out how I'm going to be carrying it around. Obviously, I didn't make a very clean marcation here, so I obviously can't carry it this way, but I'm going to fill up all these places, so when I style the hair, it's not going to be scanty, you know. So I'm going to be filling up here first. Let me go from here. So basically, after filling it up, this is what it looks like. But then I think it's too full, but I like it this way. I can't go out leaving it this way, so I'm just gonna style it in. So this is me styling it and trying to cover those parts. So yeah, this is the first way. I'm going to be styling it this way for I'm trying to make sure all these places are covered. So yeah, so how do you see this? For me, I like the fact that it's so full. So yeah, this is the first way I'm gonna be styling it. And then I can as well pack it if I didn't fit. So it totally and basically depends on how I want to do the packing. So and also go this. So basically packing it looks this way. This is actually how it turned out after having to pack it. It depends on how you want to style it. So basically these are the two styles I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to devise other ways I'm going to style it, but seriously I love these two ways. And so guys, that is what it is. There are still a couple of ways to style it, but I'm going to leave it as this. If you enjoyed this video and if you feel it was helpful, please share the video, like the video. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and see you guys in my next video. And until then,